Everyone, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Blockchain Moody. As you know, this channel specializes in reviewing the newest and latest projects of cryptocurrency. Also, do you guys heard about crypto mining? That's our episode is about. So in this episode, we will talk about a massive mining product by Goldshell, the AE Box Pro. But before we start, there is one of two things we need to get out of the way. Every video in this channel is non-investment advice. We only try to shed light on some projects that seem to us as good projects worth talking about. So guys, stick around till we explore the AE Box Pro, its features, ability, and what these products provide to his users. Also, if you guys are not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, like this video as well, and share your idea about this massive product in the comments below this video. That was our introduction. Let's see you guys after the intro. Thank you. So guys, as I mentioned it before, today's video is packed with value. We're unboxing and reviewing the brand new Goldshell AE Box Pro, a sleek little machine built to mine Alio. I got this product directly from jinglemining.com, one of the best places to grab mining hardware. If you're looking to get your hand on one, I'll be leaving a link down below, so let's get into it. As you'll see, the packaging is clean, secure, and straight to the point. No flashy extras, just protection and practically. In the box, you will find the AE Box Pro miner itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a user manual. Everything you need to get started without any clutter. First thing I noticed, this miner is compact, but it feels solid, so let's take a closer look. It measures just under 20 centimeters wide and weighs about 2.6 kilograms. The body is solid aluminum alloy that also serves as a heat sink, giving it a premium underswell feel. Cooling is handled by a quiet internal fan and noise levels stay under 35 decibels, even when running full blast, perfectly for a home or small office setup. Compare it to pulley ASICs, this thing is a breath of fresh air. It fits easily on a desk or shelf and blends into your space. Connectivity wise, it's got everything you need: power, Ethernet, and built-in Wi-Fi for flexible placements. Honestly, for something this powerful, the build quality is excellent, feels like it go the distance. Under the hood, you're getting the 44 mAh per second hash rate, 460 watt power draw, efficiency of 10.45 G per mAh. It mines using the ZK Snark algorithm, perfectly optimized for the Alio blockchain. So the setup is plug and play literally. Just connect the power and Ethernet. If you prefer Wi-Fi that's built into, once it's connected, find the miner IP through your router and log in into the dashboard via browser. For the best performance, keep the miner in a space with the temps between 10 to 35 degree, less than 65 humidity, and a good airflow. You don't need underswell cooling, just smart placement. Now, as I mentioned before, this product is specially to mine the Alio coin. Alio is a next-gen privacy blockchain built for developers. It supports zero-knowledge proofs, meaning the apps can be private and secure without compromising functionality. Think private DeFi, anonymous identities, private gaming, and more. Alio is targeting real-world Web3 use cases. Alright, so you're mining Alio, where can you sell it? As of now, Alio isn't on big exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, but that may change after mainnet launch. For new, you can trade peer-to-peer, use OTC groups, or just hold until it hits the bigger market. Early adopters often see the biggest upsides. So what can you actually earn? For a daily, you can earn more than $60.75 weekly and 170 monthly, 502 revenue with a 465 profit after power cost based on a 0.05 kilowatt electricity rate and current network starts. These numbers do fluctuate, so always check your local rates and Alio's price on CoinGecko or what to mine. Goldshell includes a 180-day warranty with this device, and their support is responsive via email and Discord. They also release firmware updates from time to time, so it's smart to check their site for bugs, fixes, or performance boosts. To wrap up, if you're looking to diversify beyond BTC or Ethereum, the AE Box is a great option. It's quite efficient, compact, and mines a token that has no longer term upsides. If this video helps you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto gear reviews, and drop your questions in the comments. I read every one. Links to the miner, official specs, and helpful resources are in the description. And remember, if you want to grab the Goldshell AE Box Pro for yourself, head over to jinglemining.com for more details and to purchase. See you in the next video, and happy mining. Thank you.